That's really good, Hannah.
Whoa!
Hey! Dude!
I did that on accident.
Dude. That's how you wreck it.
Christmas chaos.
Look at this, Mommy.
That's very cool, Hannah. Good job.
You know my blue one?
I'll give it back to you if you don't throw it again.
Well, that's
Can you get
not
away from
mine,
people?
that's Hannah.
There's 2 blue ones. What does it matter?
Well, here, that one
Brendan,
with the
away from your sisters.
That